Let me talk about the logic behind goat farming. Goat farming, when you think about it, when you're starting it, think about the land, think about what animals are going to eat and what they're going to drink. So those are three main components of goat farming. And another thing is all about management. Who is going to manage your animals? The logic behind getting money out of goat farming is all about numbers, breed and feed. So if you have very good pastures, if you have very good breed, then have a good manager that is going to help you. But in all that, how do we get the money out of it? We are looking at the babies, the offsprings that are being produced. Those are our monies. That's why I don't look at the money I put in goats, but I look at the babies I get out of goats. So that's why I give it a period of time to see the reproduction. Most of the time, the first group does not, the first production does not bring out very good results, but later cop up. That's why we give maximum attention to the babies. The kids are our monies. That's why we have to give them maximum attention such that they can fetch up the money. If you don't cater, or if you don't cater for your babies, that means you're not in the business. So my dear, that's why I pay my goats maximum attention about caring for them, and I make sure they grow up well and in a